back to our channel Diva's Planet. So guys, today we completed 6 months with YouTube with over 6,000 views, and that's just because of you guys. And it really sounds insane as we completed 6 months. I mean, it feels like as if it was tomorrow when we started, and today it's almost 6 months. So I am really thankful to you guys for your love, for your support, and for always encouraging me, and you guys were there always. I am really thankful to all of you, and I love you guys. Thank you so much, and many more months to come, many more years to come, many more subscribers. And Diva fam, we are organizing a 6-month special giveaway. So this is our first giveaway, and I am pretty much excited for this one. So if you want to participate in this giveaway, you will be highly appreciated. So the rules of the giveaway are pretty much simple. You need to follow Diva's Planet, you need to subscribe to our channel Diva's Planet, and in the comment section you have to tag 4 friends and make sure that they also follow and subscribe to Diva's Planet. And that's it. You need to share it on your stories, and this giveaway will end on 5th of the October. And this result is gonna be insane because I and Ujjwal are gonna come live on Diva's Planet. We are gonna pick the chit, the lucky chit, and that lucky person will win the giveaway. So now I'm gonna show you what I am offering in the giveaway, and before that I must tell you that no fake accounts, no accounts for giveaway, and no celebrity accounts will be entertained. And yeah, now I will be showing you the things I'm gonna go give for the giveaway. So here is the box of my giveaway, and for the giveaway I'm gonna give some cute and aesthetic items because we completed 6 beautiful months with YouTube. So here are our 6 beautiful months. So I'm gonna show you what is there in the giveaway of Diva's Planet. So this is a very aesthetic, pretty, cute giveaway. So first I'm gonna show you, I am giving these beautiful scrunchies. So first item of these is this is a beautiful pink color scrunchie which is having these embellishment or the pearls that are on it, and they look kind of really pretty. So I really love this one. I'm gonna show a closer look. So this scrunchie looks very pretty, and I absolutely love this scrunchie. And along with this scrunchie we are giving this plain scrunchie of red color. So this is a bright red color and it looks so pretty. And so here is our bright red color. Then another scrunchie, this is of grey color. So you can see this grey color, it looks so pretty. And this is our another scrunchie. So you can see the set of 3 scrunchies that I am giving. And that's just not all, we are having more stuff to go with. So here are these very cute hairbands. I really love these hairbands. As you can see, I am having an obsession of cute little things. So this one is in the blue color. I am having the similar ones in this carrot color and in this navy blue color. So we are having them in 3 colors. So that is again insane. This was our 6 months, so we are offering 6 things. And the next thing that we are giving is of the online thing. So we are gonna give you a shout out for 1 day, and another thing that is the best, you are gonna be featured on the main page of Diva's Planet on Instagram. If you are a YouTuber, it is just a plus point for you to get featured on a page. And so now it's time to cut a cake because it's 6-month cake. So guys, this is the tea of Diva's Planet, and this round pizza is our planet, and completed 6 months. So here is a treat for all of us from our side. So yeah, Diva fam, have it.
D for Divas Planet, D for Disha और D for
A for lunch.
नहीं, और ये हाफ है. 1 year का हाफ 6 months, तो इसका मतलब हाफ केक.
Yeah, because we completed 6 months, which is half of a year. So half cake.
और इसमें 6 candles है क्योंकि 6 months.
Yay! And where is our 6th balloon for our 6th month? Yay! So now it's time for cake cutting. Happy 6th